Hello friends, welcome back to this series of tenses. So do you know what is tense? We have already known tense is a time when we communicate in English and it indicates the situation. After depending the situation, we can use this tense. So today's our topic is present simple tense part 7. And it's the last part of present simple tense. So in this last part, we will learn the all sentences. We will practice the all sentences that we have learned the previous lessons, or you can say the previous parts of present simple tense. And also, we will review the sentences by understanding. And congrats to reach the last part. And today's our last part is it is. So let's start and we can continue our talk. So here we can see that is our practice section, and then next is review. So today we will practice the sentences that we have learned in present simple tense. Then we will review by using by using different 4 sentences of present simple tense that we gradually use. Okay, so here in this practice section, there are 3 parts. In these 3 parts, they are positive, negative, and question. And now we will learn in this time, we can start from positive. So in positive part, there are three examples here and 3 fill in the blanks. So we have to complete the blank and we have to put the word. It indicates that is what we have learned, the previous parts, what we have gained. So today we will test our brain, that is how we have learned a present simple tense. So here in positive part, we are watching that is I take, and what do you think? It's here that is he, then next is blank. What do you think? Which word we should put here? So we have to notice that is I is first person. After the I, it is used take. And in he, it is third person singular. So after the he, we have to add the verb of take, and we have to add the s. We have to simply add the s after the verb of take. So here I am starting my writing. So just look at the board. So he takes. He, T, A, K, E, S. Takes. So here I take, he takes. Only for third person singular. And now we are watching that is our second number example, that is she does. What do you think? We blank, which word we should put in that blank? What do you think? So it will be that is in this word this sentence is used does, so we have to put here do, because do you know that we is past person plural, so we have to add the do, because first of all before put down the verb we have to notice the subject, which subject is this, then we have to add the verb. Okay, so we have to put the do, but we can't put here does, then it will be wrong because the subject isn't here, third person singular. Okay, so I hope that you have understood. And then next we are watching that is you enjoy, but in this fill in blank we are watching, in this fill in the blank we are watching she blank, it will be she enjoys. Okay, so she is third person singular. After the blank, we have to add the s after the verb. But don't forget, we have to see the y, because the last word is y. but we have to think about this. After the y, the consonant is used or not. So here, sorry, after the isn't y, before the y is consonant used or not. So before the y, it isn't consonant. It is used as vowel, and O is here vowel. So we can add this simply is after the y. So here we can write here. So here you enjoy. So it will be she enjoys. E N J O Y or S. Enjoys. You enjoy. She enjoys. Okay, so I hope that you have already understood positive because we have already learned this lesson. So here we can look another part, and that is negative. So we are watching that is 4 number, it is they study. We have to inform this as negative. So this is in positive. What will be the negative here? What do you think? They study, it will be yes, I can hear you guys. Which word we should put here? Yes, you are correct. We should put here they don't study, because don't is helping verb. It is said after the word of they. Okay, so we have to check the subject. Yes, don't, because they is third person plural, so we have to add the contraction in negative. Don't, they don't. We have already learned this part about don't. Don't, its contraction, it means do not, but don't sounds formal. We know, we have learned this. They don't. What we have learned? We have to after the add the don't, we have to add the study. It will be verb 1. Study, study, study. Study. Oh my God. Yes, study. Don't. Here they study. Okay, so here we are watching that is they study. They don't study. So we have already understood. So in this 5 number we are watching that is he writes. What should we put here? He writes, it will be he doesn't write. But even though third person singular number is in negative, we can change the verb 1. It will be the same. So he doesn't write. The doesn't, it's also contraction, which we have learned, and it means does not. So we have to put here doesn't, doesn't, but the verb will change, because even though the only for third person singular number in positive, the verb simply adds the s, but in this situation we can add the s. We have to use the verb 1, or you can say base form of verb on present simple tense in negative form. So here we can see here write. He doesn't write. He doesn't write. He doesn't write. He writes. He doesn't write. So I hope that you have understood the positive and negative 2 parts. And now we will see the question. So the 6 number is it's in questions. Here we are watching that is she builds a new house. So it's in positive. It's in positive sentence. How can we transform it as question? She builds a new house. We have just add the helping verb does, because we have to look at the subject words here. It is used she. So after before the subject, we have to add the helping verb, and it will be does only for, because she is third person singular number. That's why we have to use this. So here we can write that is does, D-O-E-S, does. Then next is she. Does she, because after the helping verb of question we have to add the subject. Then builds, no, we have to, when question we have to do the same thing. Even though it's in plural in positive, we can do it in we can add the s or es only for third person singular number in question. We can do this. We have to just say and just write the verb one. So it will be or base form if you say, or present form. So it will be build. Does she build? B-U-I-L-D. Does she build a new house? So we can write the object here. A new house. A new house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Does she build a new house? She builds a new house. Does she build a new house? It will be same here. They want to buy some fruits. They is third person plural, so we have to add the. Can you remember? Yes, guys, you were all correct. It will be do. So here I can write from here. Do. Yes. Do. Then we have to add the they. Do they? T-H-E-Y. They. Do they want to buy some fruits? We can write after this. Do they want to buy? B-U-Y. Buy some. S-O-M-E. Some fruits. So I hope that this is clear for you. So let me write. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Then we have to add the question mark only on question sentence. Okay, so think is okay. Do they want to buy some fruits? They want to buy some fruits. Do they want to buy some fruits? So we have already understood the practice section, because there are 3 parts on practice section and we have already learned our previous parts. Now in this time we will review by using 4 sentences. So we have already practiced these our previous parts. I can't remember on this video, on those videos, but if you don't understand those videos, you can watch them. So we have used on those parts, that is they live in Tokyo. So in this part we will just review in the last part to remember, that is how can you remember in this part. So here we can see that is they live in Tokyo. They don't live in Tokyo. So they live in Tokyo, it's in positive. Then we are watching, that is they don't live in Tokyo. Then do they live in Tokyo? Don't they live in Tokyo? So this is positive version, or you can say positive form of question, and this is the negative form of question. So they live in Tokyo. They don't live in Tokyo. Do they live in Tokyo? Don't they live in Tokyo? You can use the another verb. So I can give you an example. He sings. He doesn't sing. Does he sing? Doesn't he sing? If you want to shorten it, or if you want to make short small sentences, you can. But if you want to make big sentences by using this structure, you can. So we have already understood these practice and review sections. We have learned 2 sections today of our last video, present simple tense. So in this last video, we have already learned this practice section and review section. I hope that is you have already understood, and congrats and thanks for watching all videos of present simple tense. Okay, so the videos will be given in the playlist, and if you don't understand the any parts of video, you can rewatch the video. No problem. You can search and you can go to the playlist and rewatch the video and understand those parts. No problem. Then it will be clear for you. So this is our last part, and we have already completed and we have already understood and all rules of present simple tense. And congratulations everyone, and stay tuned with with us. Stay tuned with us as you did. And next video we will start present continuous tense. I hope that we will do the same thing as we did as present simple tense. We will learn step by step. By this way, we can learn all tenses. So if you like my video, just like, comment, follow, and share my video. And thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.